Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to create shapefile in less than 2 minutes in QGIS. So to do that, you just go to layer and you will see create layer, or you go to shapefile. You just quickly come here and then you click on new and then it comes up. So you first select the name. What kind of shapefile are you creating? So let's say I want to create school, the name of the shapefile, and then what part of is the point is a polygon. If you have an additional like a Z, you check on it and then you change the coordinate system. Then in school, what are the basic database information? We have names. I'll click on add. What again? We have maybe like places. I don't have an L, so I'm going to leave it at paste. Then you click on add. So as many of them that you have, you just add those future. Those are names you're going to fill, like the fields you'll be filling in. So once you're okay with that, you click on OK. So your future point is created so your shapefile is created as point. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.